and gentlemen, Kamani Rawlins here, Automotive Rhythms, and welcome to Venice Beach, California for a momentous unveiling of Mercedes-Benz's all-new, all-electric Vision V concept, which sets the bar for a whole new era of luxury elite limousine service. The MPV, or multi-purpose vehicle, caters to a VIP customer looking for a versatile and spacious mode of transportation full of innovation and comforts. My senses are like blown away. You tapped into like sight, smell, sound, taste. You're giving us a little bit of everything with the Vision V. Can you give us a breakdown of what you expect from the North American market after showcasing it already in China and Europe?
For us, this will be the first time bringing such a product to the US and North American market. We have a chauffeur-driven version here, a luxurious limousine with only 4 seats, the full dedication to the rear, a lot of luxury space and entertainment for the passengers. And then, still have that sporty, dynamic appearance, I think, starting with the grille, the lights, and then also the power domes you have on the hood. One big highlight is the illuminated 3-pointed star. So we have 168 solar panels up there. The car keeps the range either, or you can use it to adjust the cooling inside already before you enter the car, so the AC is already running without taking off the battery. Stay in the car, do your video conferences and things like that. Speaking about range, we expect far beyond 500 kilometers in Europe or more than 300 miles EPA here. And I think that gives a lot of security if you're traveling also on long range trips.
Can you give us some of the top features that Mercedes saw as opportunities to, mesh with the psychographics of the consumers that you're expecting to purchase this vehicle?
One of the big features, I think, is especially the availability of space in here. These seats, for example, have different modes. You can go in a relaxation mode, like zero gravity, where you can just relax or watch the movies. Yeah. And then when you're waiting somewhere and you like to take a nap, they even fold down completely. Go horizontal. You can also change the windows to opaque so nobody's looking inside. So there's the chance to work, to relax, to get entertained. For me, it feels like being on a private jet.
As you can see, the Vision V is elegantly styled with dynamic proportions to ascertain that you and the crew or the family arrive in style.